You are here with Faye from Raven Faye Special Effects, and this is my submission for the next level of cosplay scholarship from Cinema Makeup School. Attending Cinema Makeup School is the next step in my life to becoming a huge part of the makeup community. So far, I have taught myself the craft by reading books like Monstrous Makeup Manual, watching YouTube videos, and learning from other artists. But being a part of Cinema Makeup School will help me perfect the skills that I desire to bring my vision to life. While studying at Cinema Makeup School, I will be able to learn from the cream of the crop. I will be able to surround myself with the tools and materials needed that I don't have access to back home to succeed as an artist, and I will be able to surround myself by like-minded artists and learn from their experiences as well as share my own. For my submission, I chose to bring it to the next level by bringing to life what's known as a clicker from the video game Last of Us. A clicker is the nickname given to a human in the third stage of total infection. The fruiting from the fungi causes a mushroom and coral-like exterior over the entire body that causes it to go blind, and use clicker noises as a form of echolocation. I found the details of this character to be majestically macabre. I wanted to recreate a character that my brothers had always adored but never seen fully realized. What you're about to experience is a fun guy being brought to life. I used a couple of different methods to bring this clicker to life. First, I made a life cast of the front torso of my model by using alginate and UltraCal 30. I wanted to build a piece that encompassed the bulk of the body, so I built the torso piece using latex and cotton buildup as well as latex and flour. I then sculpted a few fruiting fungi, try saying that 5 times fast, using monster clay so I could get intricate detail, and made molds that were made out of UltraCal 30 so I could make multiple versions and disperse them throughout the entire body. Also notice the torso's detail and the color palette of the entire body, along with the fruiting fungi that are forcibly budding themselves throughout the head and the gas mask. Thank you for taking the time to see my talent and creativity. I have a passion, and that passion has driven me to developing my skills in sculpting, painting, and special effects skills. Skills necessary to be the winner of the next level of cosplay scholarship. As a recipient of the scholarship, I will be awarded the privilege of being a cinema school student. A student who can teach and be taught, influence and contribute to the makeup community by bringing your vision to life. Thank you for taking the time to consider my application.